Did you know that you can put out a fire, put out a light, put out the cat, put out a new book, and even put out the trash? Let's learn English. Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and I'm back with another phrasal verb English lesson. Today, we're going to look at 9 different ways that we use the phrasal verb put out. I know from my experience in learning Japanese that building up your vocabulary and remembering your vocabulary, like phrasal verbs, is not easy. That's why I created my free phrasal verb and vocabulary workshop. Yeah, that's right. It's free. In that workshop, I talk about everything that you need to learn and actually remember phrasal verbs and vocabulary. Plus, when you sign up, you'll get a free PDF guide to learning 50 phrasal verbs. Taking this workshop is really going to help you understand what you need to do to build up your vocabulary. I think you're going to like it. So, just head over to myhappyenglish.com/workshop and sign up. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Let's start off with a meaning of put out that I think everybody knows. Put out means to extinguish a fire. Here are some examples. The firefighters put out the fire in about 2 hours. Please put out that cigarette. There's no smoking in this restaurant. In a similar way, put out means to extinguish a candle or any other kind of light. For example, please put out the candles before going to bed. The boss wants us to put out all of the lights when we leave the office. Put out also means to make something available to others. On a holiday, my mom always puts out her special dishes. This hotel puts out a nice variety of food for their breakfast buffet. Put out also means to publish something. In other words, to make something available to the public. I heard they're going to put out a new Beatles CD this year. That writer puts out a new book every 6 months. Put out also means to produce a certain amount of power. These new light bulbs put out 100 watts of light but use only 50 watts of energy. The engine on that sailboat only puts out 30 horsepower. Put out also means to take something out of your house. After dinner, I need to put out the trash. Hey, it's a nice day. Why don't we put out the laundry? You might be surprised to hear this one, but put out means to dislocate a joint in your body. I put out my knee when I slipped on the ice. Years of playing tennis caused Kim to put out her elbow. We also say that you can put someone out, and this means to cause someone to fall asleep or become unconscious. The cough medicine that the doctor gave me totally put me out last night. During the eye surgery, the doctor is going to put you out for about 15 minutes. And finally, to put someone out means to inconvenience them. Hey, I'm sorry for putting you out, but I'm going to be about an hour late. Would it put you out if I canceled our lunch plans for tomorrow? Well, that's it for this English lesson. I hope it didn't put you out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment below, and I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.